Yes, hello students. So this is the video for how to use Adobe Scan for converting your images for creating your assignment in a good PDF format. So as you can see on the screen of my laptop, I have Adobe Scan. So you can install this from the Play Store. So let me show you first. Yeah. So you can go to the Play Store and search for the Adobe Scan like this, and yes, install this one. Since I have already installed it, so it is showing update. Install Adobe Scan and you will get a icon like this on your home screen. So click it. So when you open it, you will have your camera on. So if you want to click the image, capture the images, you can go to the home screen as I went right now. So here are the scanned copies that I have already scanned through the Adobe Scanner. So what you can do, you can click on camera here, right, and be ready with your material from where you want to open. So you can switch on and off your flash. So since my flash is on, so I am clicking it with flash. Just click it. Okay, so first image will be saved, so continue it. Now next, suppose you want to scan from page number 11. Come to page number 11, click on it. Yes, so here you can see the margins which you can arrange by yourself according to the need you want to scan. So okay, this is the finalized one. I adjusted it and you continue. So that was the second page. Now come for the page number, next page. So you can do it for your assignments also. Wherever in the notebook you have, just click on it and then crop it like this. Okay, yeah. So here you can see you have now 3 images. Click on these 3. So first one is this one, second and third. If you want to shuffle it, you can shuffle it. If you want to add pages, you can click on this icon, add or select from your gallery, or click. You can reorder them, such as here. If you want page number 1 at page number 2, you have to just drag it and replace it. Okay, so you can change the sequence of your pages also. Just click right on it. You can crop also if you think that okay, earlier I have made some mistake. So it will take some time to crop. Yes, now the main important thing is this is from the book, so it is not blur or hazy. But when you have haziness or blurring because you have to submit your assignment, you can go to the color option, right? So always try to keep original color or the auto color for your assignments. Like original one will be like this, or the auto color. Don't go to the black and white or the gray scale or white scale. Use only auto color and original and apply to all the pages, right? Yes, you can resize it also, you can delete if you want. And the one more important thing, you can rename your file from here. Suppose I want to rename it as photo chemistry, okay, underscore Ankita, save PDF. So it will take some time to save the PDF. Once your PDF is generated, you can share by click on the share button, share a copy. So there will be various options to share the copy. These will be on the WhatsApp, email ID or Teams. So whomever, or in Telegram. So you can mail it or you can share it in Teams as we do it for assignment. Then go to the channel, search for the channel here like photo chemistry. Okay, then click on this one. Type your UID here and then submit it. Okay, so it's very easy how to upload your assignment or the PDF in a right format. So let me close this one. Yes, so we are back to the Adobe Scan. So here it will be available in your cloud also, so you can have access to all your scanned copies in the increasing order of your or the latest date. So I hope now you will all be able to upload your assignment in a good format now onwards. Thank you.